Tequila Dave here. JT Beats. As always on the tunes, thanks for that. I thought I'd just do a quick, I'm just going to do a practice, handcuff practice. Give it a go anyway. That way as well, I suppose. And so we've got TCH 840s, rigids, 850s, like rigid folding. And I've got some Smith Wessons here. Just, like I said, I'm only practicing, so I'm not doing them too tight. Try and get the bolts around the right way. Alright. So, got a few handcuffs there. Now, even that's difficult to get. I've got my emergency set of keys, which is always good to have, so I thought I'll go through each one. Shim. Now I had to modify this actually and just like round off the edges and stuff to actually get this to work on a Smith Wesson, but hopefully we can get this to work. There we go. That's one off. Right. Oh, I see. It's even difficult. It's these rigid cuffs that do it. We'll just go for the key next, because I know that this lock here is a little bit dodgy, as in it doesn't really work 100%. But let's go for these escapes and see if I can pull it around like that. No. Okay, hang on a sec. Wrap it around a bit more. No. Okay, I'm just going to turn that one because I know that's a dodgy lock. Okay, so last one, pick. So let's just try and give us a pick. Get this over there, they're getting really annoying now. So why don't I just take those off first? That's probably a good idea. That makes things a lot easier. Right. A little bit better now. So let's just try and give this a pick. So we've done the key, we've done the shim. This is like a ball pick from a jackknife set. So hopefully we should be able to go in and there we go. And we've got last open. Let's do this side as well. I've got a key for that anyway, so there we go. So practice done with 3 different types of cuffs and 3 different types of escape. To keep the Dave out, keep the practice up. Cheers, Jake Beats.